Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert reviews on the latest beauty and wellness products. Today, we're taking a look at something that may surprise you, an electric toothbrush. Yes, today's product is the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700 electric toothbrush. If you're wondering whether an electric toothbrush is worth the investment and how it stacks up in terms of performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the details. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700 is an advanced sonic toothbrush designed to elevate your oral hygiene game. It comes with some pretty impressive features, including a built-in pressure sensor, 5 different brushing modes, and 3 intensity levels, giving you the flexibility to personalize your brushing experience. Plus, it connects to the Philips Sonicare app SaaS, offering real-time feedback and personalized brushing guidance. Now, let's talk about the performance. One of the main claims Philips makes is that this toothbrush can remove up to 20 times more plaque and help make your gums 15 times healthier compared to a manual toothbrush. That's pretty bold, right? And it also promises to remove up to 100% more stains than traditional brushing. In my experience using the DiamondClean Smart 9700, it's been an absolute game changer for my routine. The first thing I noticed was the pressure sensor. It's a small, simple feature, but it's super effective. If you press too hard on your gums, a light ring on the handle flashes, giving you a gentle reminder to ease up. I found this particularly helpful as I sometimes tend to apply too much pressure, thinking harder brushing means better cleaning. The app integration is where this product really stands out. Once connected, it offers personalized coaching based on your brushing habits, which feels like having a dental professional in your pocket. The app tracks your progress, giving you feedback on areas where you may need improvement. It's like turning your routine into a high-tech, smart experience. If you're into gadgets that really make a difference, this one's for you. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700. On the plus side, the cleaning power is undeniable. My teeth felt noticeably cleaner after using it for just a few days, and the stain removal is spot on. My teeth look brighter. The variety of modes and adjustable intensity levels let you choose what works best for you, and I love that it offers a complete oral care system, from plaque control to gum health. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. First off, this toothbrush is pricey. With all the features and the smart app, you're definitely paying for the technology. But if you're someone who values thorough, high-tech oral care, it might be worth the splurge. The charging case is nice, but it's a bit bulky and might take up extra space in your bathroom. And while the app is great, it may feel unnecessary for people who prefer a more straightforward brushing experience. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this toothbrush is a solid investment if you're looking for high-end oral care and are willing to pay for it. The price is definitely on the higher end, but with features like real-time feedback, personalized guidance, and advanced plaque control, it offers substantial benefits that you might not get from a cheaper manual toothbrush. As for alternatives, there are other options in the market that offer similar features at a lower price point, such as the Oral-B Genius X. While it doesn't have the same sleek design or the Philips app integration, it still offers smart features like pressure sensors and multiple brushing modes. It could be a great option if you're looking for something a little more affordable. In terms of build quality, the DiamondClean Smart 9700 feels premium, and the charging case adds a nice touch, making it ideal for travel. The overall design is sleek and modern, and it's built to last. In terms of longevity, I haven't noticed any significant issues with the brush head or the handle's functionality, and it's recommended that you replace the brush heads every 3 months. Now let's talk about customer support. I've heard positive things about Philips customer service. They're responsive and helpful when it comes to addressing concerns or questions about the product. In fact, Philips offers a 2-year warranty with the toothbrush, which adds an extra layer of confidence in case something goes wrong. Overall, I'd say the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700 lives up to its promises. It offers excellent cleaning power, smart features, and a personalized approach to brushing. It's particularly suited for those who prioritize technology and want a more high-tech, detailed brushing experience. If you're looking to upgrade your oral care and don't mind spending a little more for those extra features, this could be a great fit. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out. And hey, if you've tried the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think.